Let's quickly solve this question on the board. The question says 2 raised to power x all raised to power s is equals to 16. So what are we going to do? First of all, we are going to apply the law of indices, which allows us to multiply this s by x. So we are going to have 2 raised to power x times x will be equals to what? 16. And 2 raised to power x times x will give us 2 raised to power x squared. Now that this 16, we can write 16 as 2 raised to power 4, or 16 is what? 4 raised to power 2. So that the base should be the same, the best one for us to take is 2 raised to power 4. So instead of writing 16, we are going to say 2 raised to power 4. Now the base are what? The same. If the base are the same, we equate the power. So we now have x squared is equals to 4. From here, we are going to take the what? The square root of both sides. That is, we are going to take the square root of x squared is equals to plus or minus square root of 4. And this will go with this, and our x is equals to plus or minus 2. So, see you the correct